Whew, sweating already. I just filled up my tank. There's a quarter of a tank left. I just want to have a full tank so I don't accidentally get stuck in the middle of nowhere. Now I'm headed down to Coolidge, and I've got mace, I've got a knife, I've got a rape whistle, and I have no mace. So hopefully no one messes with me. En route to Coolidge, trip number 3. It's 107 degrees right now. This is what it looks like out here. This is legit the barren desert. So I was just thinking that anybody that flies in for the factory will have to fly into either Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, which is an hour drive, or Tucson International Airport, which I've never been to, but that is, I think, roughly an hour drive as well. So that's something to consider. They'll have to rent a car, make an hour drive. Interesting. Today's date is Monday, August 17th at 11:30 a.m. Arizona time.
87 north.
It has cooled down in temperature. It's a stifling 104 degrees. Just getting off at the exit to turn down to the Coolidge factory. This is what it looks like out here. Looks like there's a tree farm over there. Doing an update. This is update number 3 from me, Jessica Kirsh. Let's see if there's equipment back on site working. Half a mile from turning onto East Hauser Road.
Right on
Is that direction?
Road. Then you will arrive at your destination.
City limits. More baby cattle. Looks like they have some machinery parked. Here's what we have here. Looks like they're doing some work. There we go. Looks like they have some water pipe installation. Shakalaka, shakalaka. Here we go. They're creating a mound, that's good.